GS Designs proudly introduces custom dry erase whiteboards. Add a reminder to your whiteboard. Pick up your keys and see the reminder. When you get back, simply erase the reminder, and you are ready for the next one. With the GS Designs custom dry erase board, you can write a daily message. Have fun with it. Let your creativity come out. The whiteboard is a Formica countertop surface, bonded onto 3/4-inch plywood. The durable surface will provide years of use.
Kids love it. It's better than a coloring book. Want to make a change? Simply erase the part to change and draw again.
There are multiple custom shapes available. Go to our store, Plans for Wood, on Etsy.com.